Hello and welcome to another Prism Did You Know video. Today we'll be talking about the variety of features within the mobile app. To begin, we'll talk about navigation features. With your location services turned on, clicking on this arrow in the bottom right corner will bring you to where you are located. You can also see this navigation if you open up a plot and click the navigate button. I'm very far away, but it'll draw a line from your point to the location of the plot, as well as a distance and a bearing measurement. Clicking on the four arrows in the bottom right corner will bring you back to zoom in on the plot you have selected. You can also do tools such as measuring distance and area from you or in a line using the measure tool here. Another handy tool for navigations is found within the settings tab. The plot center and plot proximity notifications under the positional notifications tab can be turned on and off and can scale their sensitivity using the slider bars here. With that covered, let's hop into our plot. There are a couple of validation functionalities that allow users to avoid erroneously entering data. The most straightforward one is the picker list. These are defined in the configuration, but give you options from a drop-down list to choose from. That way, only these values can be entered. Another important tool are the numerical validation. For things like height total or dBH, you can set up a warning or an error within the configuration that requires it to be within a certain range. If I enter something like 2000, it will appear as red, as it must have a total value between 0 and 150. And if I try to leave, it'll simply wipe that value. Entering something like 60, on the other hand, will be allowed. If you were to have erroneously high data, or a required field such as species missing in a tree, and you try to leave your plot, it'll give you a summary of all the errors that pop up. Then you can go back and fix. We've heard from cruisers in the field that it's a pain to get stuck on an outlier tree though, so you can't choose to ignore them. Another handy thing that Prism can do is GeoNotes. Clicking on this page icon with a plus in the bottom right corner opens up the GeoNotes tab. You can choose a color you want and click New Note, and this will allow you to add a point, line, or polygon. Drawing this in, we can give it a note type such as Other, and leave a comment, such as invasive species here. Once that's done, we can hit save, and this will be saved to the GeoNotes layer for use and viewing both in and outside of the app. Thank you for watching this Did You Know video. If you want to see more, visit our website at www.limbgeomatics.com.